Hey y'all, it's Christina. Alright, so I just got this not even 5 minutes ago. I already know what it is just based off of this sticker right here. It's from Tryit, so I'm going to go ahead and open it up now. See how much wrapping they put, not much. Not much to it. It's this, which it looks like it has gold. I'm not sure if it has glitter or not. No, it does not have glitter in it, which means a good thing because I'm partial in glitter. Alrighty, let's see here. Alright, I'm back. Alright, sorry about that. That was my mom. Alright, so this is an art set. It has 2 gelatos, and the colors are mango and bubblegum. Gel paint in gold color with spackle pigment powder, which is in 3 colors: pink, yellow, and blue. Paintbrush, 4 illustration boards. A spatula, texture card, and design guide. Alright, before I get any further, stuff's already starting to fall out of this little book. Alright. So, let's see. Let me go and get it. Alright. This is a 20-minute studio abstract art for beginners. It's like they have like different designs, I guess, that I could try. I guess I'm supposed to need like cups or something. So yeah, let's see here. Oh, this is a silica right here. Alright, so my ears are ringing something fierce. Be right back. Again. Alright, I'm back. Alright. So, let's see here. The way I'm reading the instructions, right? If I am reading right. Alright, check. Alright. I can use like these first, which are the which is the gelato thing, I guess. I can create like whatever I want. So I'm going to start on that now. Which I put on this card right here. And alright. Okay, wind that down. This too. Alright, now it's the instructions say to like wet this brush. And just go to town, I guess. Alright. Alright. Just wet that. Check. Alright, I'm back. So, this is what I've done so far to one of the canvases. Right now it's, like, still kind of trying to dry. And I'm gonna probably start on another one, here in a minute. And I haven't used all of the spackle from the other painting, so I might use that one a little bit. Yeah. So yeah, there's that. Let's see here. I'm gonna probably use up some blue spackle. I used blue spackle. I'm probably gonna use I might save the others for another time, and just like save the other 3 for another video or another time. So yeah, there's that. I got my fingers stained, and a little bit of my workspace stained. So I guess that's going to be about it for this video. I have a few more packages. I have like a couple of packages coming. So I will update y'all on that in another video. Bye y'all.